In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the resonator pipe on your Subaru Forester. At this connection right here, there should be two bolts, 14 millimeters, with another 14 millimeter nut on the back, and there should be a spring in between them. Hold the head of the bolt and remove the nut. Careful when removing the nut. If the spring is under a bunch of tension, it will shoot the bolt out. Using a 14 millimeter socket and wrench, remove the nut. Remove the other bolt and nut. Pull the hanger out and remove the pipe. Using a wire brush or something abrasive, we're going to go around and clean up the mating surface. Try to remove any old gasket that is there. We're going to put our gasket up into place. I just have some high temp RTV on this. You do not need that. If you have it and want to put it on, you can. I'm just going to drop some bolts through to hold the gasket up there as well. Install the exhaust into the hanger. Line up the pipes. Put your bolts through and get your nuts started. Put your spring bolts through and tighten down the nut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.